Okay, this one is an advice to my nephew Nathaniel and his friend, whatever. He wants to know how to sweet talk a girl. Here's my tips. Talk to a girl can be challenging. Sweet talking to a girl is an entire art form. It takes a certain amount of facts and skills, but this is the guide you can learn how to sweet talk a girl. 1. Don't be shy. 2. Give her compliments. Girls love compliments, so give her one. 3. Consider coming up with a nickname for her that applies, describing her or your love for her. Number 4. Developing some code words between each other. 5. Say wonderful things about her in front of other people. 6. Be sure to tell her that you love her at least 3 times a day or more, if possible. 7. Laugh a lot with her. Tell her jokes that makes her giggle and laugh out loud. 8. Enjoy her company. Sweet talk comes easily when you're enjoying being with her. And number 9, give her gifts. Females love gifts and they love love letters, so that could be another one also. If you need more tips, then just let me know. Alright, I love you.